Where do we go?
Not to Noble Falls, but there's another one. Hang on. Berry Reserve.
Ah, that's where I've been with Dudley when you were in Germany. Nice one, but back then, no water.
No water?
Dudley? No. We'll see if we have water today.
Mm.
Do you got your cap?
Yeah, I got my cap.
Dudley! Oh, kisses. Okay, let's start. It is 11:30.
Doesn't matter.
Still cold, as you can see. See what we are wearing here, like winter in Perth.
Yeah. Okay, where are we?
Dudley Walk Trail.
Yeah. Oh, somebody
No horses, but dogs are allowed.
No horses.
And this is apparently the waterfall.
Okay.
And then here we are.
Let's make it happen.
This is the drive in, I guess. I don't know. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
See, we've got a new one.
Yeah.
Remember one of our last videos where we complained about the broken leash? So I'm aboard a new one in Germany. Yeah. So it just happened. We just found a phone.
Yeah.
And we talked to the people over there.
Yeah.
Who we just passed with the Aussie Shepherd.
Yeah.
And they told us that they have seen the people who have that dog down there. So hopefully we find the owners.
Yeah. Otherwise we are putting a notice on the internet.
Internet?
Yeah, no, in the
I don't know. Maybe I would send it into the police if I can't find the owner.
I think that's an expensive one too.
Can be. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with the thing. It could be an iPhone. I have no idea.
Yeah. Oh, look at this landscape. Yeah. It's beautiful. So our last hiking was.
Yes, we went.
Yes, we did.
You. No way! Get the dog, Simon. Get the dog.
Oh, legend!
We just let the other people up there and we sort of picked up.
Oh, my little doggy! Thank you Baby, this is the star. Baby, look at this. Oh, that's
Yeah. Daddy! That's good, that's so good, that's so good.
scared by a big double bus. She gets a bit freaked out. You know what? I put it down because I went to get an ant off her. She had an ant on her leg. And I went to brush the ant off and I must have left it on the ground.
And not far from home, just a 10 minutes drive. Just up in Perth Hills. Beautiful landscape. Is the track going any further or is it?
Yeah, go there.
Alright.
Continues over there. Like a goat track.
Go track.
But you can see that. It's much better today than it was when I was here last time, because last time it was dry and sandy and slippery and hard to walk. Today it's we have a pretty good grip actually. first. I could control it over the phone as well. It has joysticks like on the screen, but
She's not coming to everyone. Going closer with your hand.
Huh?
Going closer with the onto the camera with your hand. Not with the camera, yeah.
usually you have to just stop for 3 seconds or so and, you know, hold the hand and she's coming and landing on you. But
Yeah, but
she came anyway.
underneath the thing, because of the sensor, you said there's something for landing.
I wasn't following Maud, so she should know that she should follow me and come to me when I call
Turn
her.
around.
But that's like Dudley.
Turn around, please. Turn
Never
around.
at the first call. No?
Now, upside down, please. Upside
So
down.
we just named her
Miss Sunshine.
Miss Sunshine, little Miss Sunshine, little Miss Sunshine.
Turn around. Turn around.
To where?
Underneath. Turn
Oh,
around.
underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, tell me.
Yeah, there's the sensors underneath.
Yeah.
So there's.
You are smarter than me. Stop that.
I know I'm smarter than
I tried to turn it off short and long.
short and then hold long. When it's out of warranty, maybe you know it.
I've got another few months left. I'm not sure. I think I even bought some care. Like, hang on. Very reserve. It was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was alright.
See?
Of course,
I knew it.
10 minutes from home.
Okay. And now we are looking for
Waterfalls.
a tavern
Yeah.
to have some lunch beer. Maybe some chips and a Guinness.
If they have.
Oh, we'll see. We'll see.